In this video, I will show you how to change folder color on Mac. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is navigate to the desktop of your Mac. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the dock and we're going to open a new Finder. Now, once we open the new Finder, we're going to navigate to the folder that we want to change the color for. And this is the folder that I want to change the color for. Now I'm going to come to the three dots at the top here. Click on the three dots. I'm going to click on Get Info. Right after clicking on Get Info, you can see the dialog box for the info of my Roblox folder. Now, right under the folder name, you're going to see a modified date and you're going to see add tags. Now, we want to click into the add tags placeholder and we want to choose the color that we want to change the folder to. So once we choose the color, you're going to see the color stated there. The color is going to show. And what you're going to do is you're going to click outside of the input that has the add tag placeholder. Once you click outside of it and on the folder itself, the folder color will change to the color that you chose. And that's how to change folder color on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.